Hi, welcome to SJMathTube. So today I'm back with another math question. So these type of questions are normally seen in all the competitive exams and you should be able to answer these questions within seconds. Let's start with these questions. You can notice that in all these questions, these digits are being repeated. So the way you answer these type of questions will also be same. The first thing you have to do is taking 3 common out. So this will result in 3 times 1 plus 11 plus 111 plus 1111 plus etc. up to n terms. You can notice here that if it was 7 plus 77, then if you have to take 7 common and you will end up with the same pattern. So I hope you got the point. Now you can see that this is not a linear sequence, this is not a geometric sequence, it's not a quadratic or cubic sequence. But what I can notice here is with small adjustment here and there, I'll be able to change this into a geometric sequence. So what we need to do is we'll divide and multiply by 9. By multiplying and dividing it by 9, we are not actually changing the sequence. So what we can do next will be, we can take that 9 inside. So when you multiply throughout, you will end up with 9 plus 99 plus 999 etc. up to n terms. We can change this 9 as 10 minus 1, 99 as 100 minus 1, 999 as 1000 minus 1. Can you see this geometric sequence now? Yeah, let's write that together. So you'll end up with 10 plus 100 plus 1000 up to n terms plus, can you see this minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1 up to n terms, right? So minus 1 times n as well. I hope that you already know the formula for finding sum of n terms in geometric sequence. If not, please go through this and please write it down. Okay, a is our first term. In this case, a is 10. And r means common ratio, so it's multiplied each time by 10, so r is also 10 here. Okay, let's substitute this and you'll end up with 3 by 9 and this will become 10 times 10 to the power n minus 1 over 10 minus 1 plus, do not forget our poor minus n at the end. Now we are almost near our answer. But let's make it a little bit more cute, let's say, by simplifying it. Okay, so 10 times 10 to the power n will become 10 to the power n plus 1, and then we have minus 10 over 9, which I can multiply it here also, so it will become minus 9n over 9. Now let's take this 9 also here outside, so that will become 9 times 9, and 9 times 9 we know that it's 81. So 3 over 81 times 10 to the power n plus 1, and we can take negative common here. So you'll end up with 9n plus 10, and that's our formula. So if you want to find 3 plus 33 plus 333 up to 10 terms, for example, it will be 3 over 81 times 10 to the power n plus 1. So it's 11 minus 9 times 10, which is 90 plus 10 will be 100. So it's this one. Likewise, if you want to find for 7 plus 77 plus 777 etc. up to 10 terms, then what will you do? 7 over 81 and then 10 to the power, because it's 10 terms, it's 11, and then minus, we have 9 times 10, which is 90 plus 10, which is 100. Is that okay? So if you want it for 8 plus 88 plus 888 up to 20 terms, then what will you do? 8 over 81 times 10 to the power 20 terms, right? So it becomes 21 minus 9 times 20, which is 180, and plus 10, which is 190. Can you see how fast we can get these answers without even doing much? Okay, suppose if you want to find the sum of 4 plus 44 plus 444 up to n terms, then what will you do? So it's 4 over 81 times 10 to the power n plus 1, and then minus of 9 times n plus 10. So I hope you liked this video. Please practice more and more math questions, and if you have any doubts, please feel free to comment below. Also, if you need any help with math, please contact us. And that's it for today. Have a nice day.